All right, let's just jump right in. Today, we're going to break down a surprisingly simple but really effective method for building instant charisma. And look, it's not magic. It's just about a few small, powerful shifts in how you interact with people.
Okay, so have you ever had this happen? You walk into a room, a party, whatever, and you just feel invisible. Like everyone else is clicking and connecting, and you're kind of just on the sidelines. It's a horrible feeling, but honestly, it's so common. But what if I told you there's a really straightforward way to flip that script? Like, starting right now.
You know, for forever, we've had this idea that charisma is some kind of magical thing you're born with, right? You either have it or you don't. Like some people just walk into a room and boom, they light it up, and the rest of us are just, well, out of luck.
Yeah, that's a total myth. It's just not true. Being liked, being charismatic, it has nothing to do with being the loudest person or the funniest or the life of the party. The real truth, it's a skill. And just like any other skill, you can totally learn it. And it's all based on this one simple core idea that we're about to get into.
So here's what we're going to cover. First, the one big mental shift. Then, 6 tactics for connection. We'll talk about getting beyond small talk. And finally, we'll wrap up with your action plan. Simple as that.
Okay, let's dig into the foundation. Because honestly, everything, and I really mean everything we're going to talk about, flows from this one huge change in your mindset. It all boils down to getting out of your own head.
And what's so fascinating is that the real reason we feel awkward, it's not because we don't know what to say. It's self-consciousness. It's that non-stop voice in our heads, right? The one that's always asking, did that sound dumb? Do they think I'm weird? Am I talking too much? That's the real wall we put up.
And here it is. This is the big one. The whole entire game changes the second you flip that script in your head. Stop asking, do they like me? And start asking, how can I make them feel good? You shift from trying to get approval to trying to give value. And when that's your goal, suddenly everything else, your body language, your smile, what you say, it all just feels so much more natural. It's authentic.
This quote just nails it, doesn't it? It gets right to the heart of why that mental shift is so powerful. People forget what you said, sure, details get fuzzy, but the way you made them feel, that sticks around. That's the core of a real connection.
All right, so now that we've got that new mindset locked in, let's get practical. Let's look at some actual tactics you can use. These are the tools that take that outward focus and put it into action.
We've got 6 of them. 6 really simple tactics that work instantly because they all do one thing. They make the other person feel seen and valued.
So here they are. Number 1, use their name. It's simple but so powerful. 2, smile first. You're the one setting the tone. 3, ask them specifically for something. It makes them feel singled out in a good way. 4, say you need them. It's a way of saying you value their input. Number 5, show that you trust them. That builds instant respect. And finally, number 6, target what they're proud of. Give them a chance to shine and talk about something they're good at.
Okay, so you've got the tools to make that first connection. But now, let's level up. Let's talk about how to make that connection actually memorable. This is how we move past those boring, surface-level chats. You know, about the weather or what you did last weekend.
I mean, seriously, think about it. Most conversations we have are just filler, pleasantries. They don't actually build anything, and that's why they're so forgettable. The goal here is to create a moment, a real human connection that actually stands out.
So how do you actually do that? Well, here are 3 super powerful ways. First, ask a question that's just a little bit deeper. Something like, hey, is there anything that's been on your mind lately? It's so rare, and it opens the door to a real talk. Second, you know when you think something nice about someone in your head? Just say it out loud. Seriously, most of us keep those thoughts locked up. Be the person who actually shares the kindness. And the last one might be the easiest and most powerful of all. Just act genuinely happy to see them. Put your phone down, look them in the eye, and actually listen. I'm telling you, that one move alone puts you way ahead of the curve.
Okay, let's wrap this all up. Let's pull it together into a super clear, simple action plan. This is really the heart of the whole method, boiled down to the basics.
The biggest thing to remember is this. This is not about tricks. It's not about hacks or manipulation. You don't have to learn some clever line or pretend to be someone you're not. This is all about tapping into something really fundamental about people, our basic need to feel seen, to feel valued, and to feel understood.
So here it is, your new charisma cheat sheet. It all kicks off with that one big idea. Stop thinking about yourself. From there, your whole job is to make other people feel good. And you use those simple tools we talked about. Use their name, really listen, and say the nice things you're thinking. That's it. That's the whole game.
And I just want to leave you with this one final thought. We make social connection out to be this super complicated thing, right? Like there's some secret formula we're all missing. But what if there isn't? What if making people like you is really this simple? What if it's just about focusing a little less on ourselves and a little more on them? What could change for you if you just gave it a try?